Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another funny school adventure. Today, something very strange is hiding inside the classroom. Can you guess what it is? Let's find out.
Good morning, everyone!
Good morning! I'm ready to learn. I'm ready
To sleep.
Good morning, class! Today we're gonna learn something exciting. Who sneezed?
It's floating.
How is that possible? The chalk is moving. Wow, how is that possible? Achoo! That's the funniest chalk I've ever seen.
I'll catch it.
Whoa! My turn.
Look, it's flying.
How is that possible?
Whoa!
How did she do that?
It's magic. Hey, come back! I have an idea. Look, it's floating. How is it doing that?
It's coming closer. Maybe it's hungry. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to scare anyone. I just wanted some friends.
You can be our friend. But no more sneezing. I'll try. Achoo!
Since we're already covered in chalk. Bilal, let's draw funny pictures together. Great job today. See you tomorrow, friends.